For more on BSkyB's numbers, let's cross over live now to the London Stock Exchange, where the company's Chief Financial Officer, Andrew Griffith, joins us now. So, full-year operating profit rose 10%. Tell me a little bit about these figures we've just had coming into us. Do you think it's sustainable?
Well, I think it is sustainable because it's built on good operational performance. As your colleague said, we've seen really good growth in subscribers, over 400,000 over the last 12 months. HD has been very strong. We've doubled the number of HD customers. And today, about 1 in 3 of our customers are paying for the HD service. So we've seen good growth there. And what that's meant is that customers are staying with us longer. They're spending a bit more money with us. That's driven revenues up by 11%. And with good cost control, that's meant that profits are up 10% and earnings are up 20% today. So I think that is sustainable. We'll have to see what the future holds. But the foundations of the financial success today are based on good operational performance.
And as we heard there, you've reached, what, 9.86 million subscribers. Looks like you're on track for getting to 10 million customers in 2010.
Well, we're on track today. The run rate of growth would put us in line with 10 million, but we've got a few quarters to go before we get to the end of the year. And they're some of our busiest trading quarters. We're just going into the start of the Premiership season. But we're giving customers every day new reasons to choose Sky. We've announced today a tie-up that's going to make HBO bring HBO to Sky, make us the home of HBO in the UK. So Sky customers will be the first to see Martin Scorsese's Boardwalk Empire. We're also launching a 3D service on the 1st of October, meaning Sky customers will be some of the first in the world to get a regular residential 3D service. So
what can you tell us about the churn rate?
Sorry, forgive me?
What can you tell us about the churn rate?
Well, churn's good. It was pretty flat year on year. So customers are staying with us for a good period of time. We're not seeing a significant increase in churn, and it's something we always have to stay focused on. Obviously, we've traded against relatively difficult economic conditions over the last few years, but we offer great value for money. People, when they're staying in, see more value in their Sky subscription, and we just continue to focus. We don't have a crystal ball, but we'll see how things trade.
So tell me about the News Corp buyout offer.
There's a limited amount I can say today. I mean, News Corp have made an indication that they'd like to come back and at some point make an offer for the company, but it's going through a regulatory process, and we're just at the start of that. The independent directors, and I agree with them, have set out their view on value. Clearly, I've got a very positive view about the future of the company, but beyond that, we'll have to see what happens. There isn't a bid on the table today.
Something around 700 pence a share at this point to buy the rest of equity. How much more do they need to offer?
Well, that's not really a question for today, and when and if they came back, that would be a question for shareholders. What I and the management team are focused on doing is really delivering the plan, because, you know, by doing so, we deliver the best value outcome in all circumstances. We take our offer to the marketplace, grow more customers, combine that with investing in content and operational efficiency, and the sort of results today and the fact we've been able to increase the dividend by 10% are positioning the company very well in all circumstances.
OK, Andrew Griffith, thank you very much for joining us, Chief Financial Officer and Director of BSkyB.